Welcome to Peaceful Praying. Here we are dedicated to three things concerning your marriage, namely restoration, refreshing, and resurrection. We do this by providing daily devotionals which are based on a whole range of topics from personal faith, forgiveness, family, finances, adversity, and so on. We are here to encourage you to pray as Jesus encouraged and taught his disciples how to pray. We are called to pray without ceasing, but sometimes this can be hard to do consistently. So we aim to encourage you to push on in those moments in prayer, especially during the days when prayer is difficult because of the experiences you are having, or the day that you are having, or the night that you had. Each of our prayers will always begin with a brief devotional from the Word of God so that we can pray with maturity and understanding. With that in mind, it's my desire that you would not just watch our content and be engaged by it, but rather may you grow from it. May your spirit be stirred up as you watch the videos, and may you develop a love for prayer in your life so that God can show himself strong on your behalf. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can enjoy this unique experience when it comes to praying for yourself, your marriage, and family. And do one last thing. Share this with one other person.